Hey YouTubers, it's Bruce here from the cool Geerage, coming to you from my kitchen again. I am preparing pork ribs for a smoke today. It's 8:30 on Saturday morning. I'm going to be putting these things into the smoker any minute. I want to show you the first step in preparation of the ribs. Ribs we got from Costco. They come with a shiny skin on the back of these ribs, and we need to remove this in order that the spicing and everything can get into the rib. So here we are. I've got the rib skin removed, and now it's ready for spicing, which I will get back to you in a short time after that. So stay tuned and I will see you in a minute. Okay, I'm back. As I said before, I was going to remove all the skin from the back of the rib itself. Now they're both done and they're all ready for the next part. We're going to start with like I did in my pork roast. I'm going to use a mustard, French's mustard, to put it all over the pork as a binder. So then the Cabela's Competition Barbecue Rub, sweet rib rub from Cabela's, it has something to stick to, and then of course always garlic. And I always like to sweeten my ribs with some brown sugar. And you will see I will be making another concoction later on in the video about the brown sugar. So easy, very simple. Just apply lots of mustard on all sides and you take it and rub it in. So you get that all nice. And you got to have something that your spices will stick to. As I've said in all the other videos, you got to give it a medium to stick to. So that's good there. Get some more on here. And the mustard does taste good, and it accepts the spices and holds the spices on there nice and thick. So here we go, one more side, and then we'll be on to the spicing. So there we go. Hit it on all ways, and we're off to the spices. Okay, so there we go. I'm gonna start with the sweet rib rub. Now this, it's a little bit like granulated sugar, it looks like, but it's not. It's a spice. It's really good. I'm really happy with it. We've done these ribs before, and I wouldn't post a video of something I didn't like, but we continue to use this, and you can kind of smell a cinnamony brown sugar spice to it. So again, you want lots. It's what is going to stick onto the meat. Both sides, of course. And away we go on side number 2. Ooh, I don't have enough. That'll be okay. Lots of spice. Don't be afraid to put this on. This is what's going to stick to your meat, and it's going to be a nice taste. One more side. Okay, that's good there. Perfect. Now we're on to the garlic. And everybody loves garlic. Garlic goes good on everything. I put it on everything because I like the taste of garlic. And again, you pat it down, it'll stick. Nothing will fall off. Again, on one side and the other. It's good. Perfecto. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I am going to be cooking these things meat side up, just like that for now, and I'm going to be applying the brown sugar. So I just sprinkle that on there as best I can. Brown sugar is a little bit tougher to spread out, but that's okay. And I've got a third of a quarter cup is enough for both pieces of ribs. Yeah, so here we go. That's it now. We are all ready to go off to the races, and I will see you again down at the smoker and the preparation of getting that ready. So there we go, smoker ready. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm back. Here we are downstairs in the cool Geerage itself with the Traeger smoker going. I have got applewood pellets into the Traeger smoker. I've got a full pot ready to go here. I've got my temperature set at 165, and that will be the temperature I cook the ribs to. Now, some people say you can't put thermometers in the ribs because the bone itself gives out a false temperature. I say you got to start with something and then work from there. So I'm going to start. Oh, nice and smoky. You got to start with getting some sort of a temperature reading, so you can at least know when you can take your look at the meat. So that gives me a general idea. But there we go. The smoker's on there. I am going to get the thermometers pushed in through here and get them all ready to go. So there's one, and there is two. And just so you know, it is 9:30 on Saturday morning. I am going to be ready to eat these things about 6 o'clock at night, and they're going to be smoking all day. Most people will set their smoker at 250. I'm going to go with 165. I'm going to let these things smoke all day long. I will pay attention to the temperature, and if I need to, take them out. I have another step you're going to see when I wrap it in a double tin foil with butter, brown sugar, and honey. Till then, Bruce out. Here we go. Welcome back. It is almost 6:30 on Saturday night. So here they were in smoking since 8:30, I think I said it was this morning. Look at the magical pork ribs. So here we are. We're going to put, look over here. We are going to be putting the ribs meat side down on with some brown sugar, some butter, and we're going to be putting it back into the smoker and essentially just cooking the brown sugar, the butter, and the honey. And we're just going to drizzle that, and it's going to be meat side down. I'll show you in 2 seconds as soon as I get this done. A little bit of honey, little brown sugar, and this is going to be cooking for a little bit longer. But here we go. This meat side down. Look at that, fantastic meat. Oh, that's good. I did cut into it. As you can see on this one face right here, nice smoky red in throughout the meat right here. Smoky red. Gotta love that. That's it there. So you put the butter in, the brown sugar, and the honey, and you wrap it. So here we go. I'm gonna wrap this, and we're gonna stick it back in the smoker. We use 2 layers of tin foil. Here we go. One more layer over top. Ooh, I'm topping with the tin foil here. Okay. And then that's one wrap. And there we have it. So I'm going to do the same thing with the next one. Brown sugar, the honey, and the butter. All going to put into the tin foil wrap. We'll be putting it back on the smoker for another, I'd say 30 minutes. So 30 minutes, I'll be back to you. Okay, we're back for the finale. Here we are. We have got, I'll just start with this one here. It's been in the smoker. Oh, look at that. Look at that amazing butter through there. So here we are. It's been smoking for over 10 hours. We've got an amazing looking rib. Let's go. Let's just cut right into it right now. So with ribs, you find your, there you go. So there we are there. Let's just take this. Okay, come on. Here we go. Look at that. Look at the nice red juice. See that all around the perimeter? That is all got to do with the smoke. So here we are. Look at this. Perfect. Look at this. Oh, wow. Look at that meat. Nice and juicy and amazing. That, my friend, is a good quality smoke steak. 10 hours of smoke, and look at that. That is amazing. I'm really happy with that, and everything looks fantastic. I'm looking forward to this. We're gonna cut it up and eat it. So there we go. That is our smoked pork ribs. Been on the smoker for 10 hours, taken off, glazed with a honey and brown sugar and butter combination, and put back onto the smoker, turned it up to 250, and for another half an hour, 45 minutes, just so the meat side can be soaking in the butter glaze. So I'm pretty happy. I'm looking forward to having that for dinner tonight, and I will look forward to the next video to be sending out to you guys. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. if you want to subscribe and get my videos on as I make them, that would be appreciated too. So just let me know. Any comments? I'd be appreciating hearing back from you as to what you may want to question me on, and different things will go. So thanks for your time, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye for now.